now we have comprehension के questions. Comprehension is pretty basic. NUST में आपको जितनी भी NET में comprehensions आती हैं, they're small passages with not too difficult meanings. But the important thing here is कि हम इस पर ज़्यादा time ना अपना waste करें. So what we're going to do is हम जो question होगा जो हमने comprehension के end में answer करना होगा, so we're going to read that first. In our case हमें question दिया हुआ है, it is clear from the passage that dolphins. Okay, अब हमने passage तब तक पढ़ना जब तक हमें इसका सवाल नहीं मिल जाता. So let's read the passage. Dolphins are regarded as the friendliest creatures in the sea, and stories of them helping drowning sailors have been common since Roman times. The more we learn about dolphins, the more we realize that their society is more complex than people previously imagined. They look after other dolphins when they are ill, care for pregnant mother, and protect the weakest in the community as we do. Some scientists have suggested that the dolphins have a language, but it is much more probable that they communicate with each other without needing words. Okay, so there's a lot of redundant information here, but हम पहले option को देखते हैं. They don't want to be with us as much as we want to be with them. ये कहीं लिखा हुआ नहीं है, so we cross that. They are proven to be less intelligent than once thought. ये भी कहीं लिखा हुआ नहीं, cross that. Have a reputation for being friendly to humans. Okay, that is true. And they are the most powerful creature that lives in the ocean. ये भी कहीं लिखा हुआ, so that's false. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, now this is our second passage. अब हम पहले question पढ़ लेते हैं. What can you conclude from the passage? Okay, अब हम यहाँ पे conclusion का लिखा हुआ है. Therefore, we're going to read the option as well. Hotels are very cheap in Mexico. The hotels aren't comfortable. The hotels are all poor. The hotels are pretty expensive. Okay, तो हम जो भी passage में hotel से related चीज़ रखनी है वो हमें देख लेनी है. So हम यहाँ पे ये भी कर सकते हैं. We can simply track down the word with the word hotel. हमें नज़र आ रहा है कि third line में hotel लिखा हुआ है. The hotels are too expensive to stay, but there are more affordable options. For example, you can stay at one of the beach resorts. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें यहीं पे आंसर मिल गया था. The hotels are too expensive, and option D is the correct answer. Okay, now we're going to look at the last passage. The question is, we decided to go to the beach house because. Okay, हमें बस because को आंसर करना है, तो हमने reasoning देनी है. And आगे multiple reasoning लिखी हुई है. So let's look at the passage and see यहाँ पे इस question का आंसर कहाँ पे हो रहा है. Last summer we decided to spend our vacations at the beach house because the weather was very hot. Okay, हमें यहीं पे मिल गया because the weather was very hot. हमें यहाँ से आगे पढ़ने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So now let's look at the options. It was cheaper than going to the mountains. No. The travel agent said that it was the cheapest. No. The weather was hot in the mountains. Perfect. Option C is the right answer. हम यहीं पे रुक जाएंगे.